Hello and welcome to today's 10-minute daily meditation. So before we get started, let's just like and share, guys. We need to get this out there a little more. I love you all, but let's get other people meditating. Okay, on that note, I need a miracle. I really need a miracle. So I thought, why not just ask for one in our meditation? Think of something that would just blow you away if it happens. That it and think of it as happening today. Let's manifest it for today in our meditation. Doesn't mean it will come today, but we're open to the possibility that we are removing all blocks and allowing this miracle in today. And the universe is going to do what the universe does. We don't want to restrict it. You know, the divine has his timeline, and it's usually better than ours. But sometimes the timeline is disturbed and the gifts don't come because we're blocking something. So I'm willing to release everything and ask for that miracle today. And I'm not going to ask exactly specifically, I need a red sweater in size 18 to arrive today. But I am going to ask, and that's not my miracle, this is an example. I am going to ask for the warmth of a sweater, something I can wear that is as warm as a sweater, preferably in red, to arrive today. Because as long as it's warm, that's really what I'm shooting for. The color, whether it's a sweater or jacket, doesn't matter. So I don't want to restrict it too much. So my miracle will, if it happens, will still be a miracle because what I'm asking for is huge. And so take a second, give it a thought, and let's bring that into our meditation. So as always, we will begin with the Lord's Prayer and the prayer of protection. We will do a simple guided meditation where we open ourselves up to accept this divine miracle that we are creating. We are going to hand over our request and we are going to accept it back and place it in our heart. When we end the meditation, we are now doing a kind of a zip up. So see how my hands are rolling toward me? In your mind's eye, you are going to be rolling the energy towards you, starting from your feet up and then behind you. And you don't have to actually imagine your arms all the way back. Just imagine turning the energy up. This is important. I really found yesterday a tremendous improvement in my energy level right after meditating because I re-zipped up my energy. And then we close with the 23rd Psalm. Okay, let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath, and while exhaling, take a moment to scan your body and notice if anywhere there is tightness or discomfort. And if there is, bring your attention directly to that spot and invite your body to let it go and relax. Notice how your mind follows your body follows your mind. Our mind's very powerful. Our mind is the builder. In this relaxed state, we are going to start with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, of beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In this relaxed state, and in this state of protection, we call upon the divine energy that is flowing through us. Notice that beautiful, calm column of light energy Joy, love, peace is flowing through you from the top of your head right out your feet. For some of us, the column is a little small, thin in diameter. For others, it is very big. It all depends on how much attention you bring to it. So bring your attention to that column, acknowledge it, appreciate it, understand that it is truly the divine saucing you, bringing you everything you need. And notice how it expands. Let it expand as far as you can with appreciation by using appreciation. Let it expand all the way, covering your entire body. And now let it expand around you so you are inside the column instead of the column inside of you. Notice how it is about 3 feet all around you. And you are in this perfect space. In this place, we're going to just let go. Let go of our attachments. Let go of our concerns. And as we do, notice these little spots, these little dots coming off of your body and dissolving into the divine. Every time you release something, another spot comes out of you and dissolves into the divine. Let go of the upset. Let go of the fight. Let go of the anger. Let go of the misunderstanding. Let go of wanting things to be a certain way. Let go of your attitude toward your job. Let go of your thoughts of the traffic you'll be facing today. Let go of everything and start to notice you are blending in with the light. You and the light are becoming one. And as we let go, we are going to release our one desire, that one miracle we wish for today. And we're going to let that go too. And as everything is released, and we are truly one now with the divine, let us just sit in silence and enjoy this time. In this perfect place, let's start bringing our attention back to our physical body, allowing the column of beautiful divine energy that sources us to always be there. But we bring our attention into our physical. In our mind's eye, reach down to your toes and start folding the energy, stitching it back into yourself and rising it up. And go behind yourself and stitch it up and in so as to be completely protected. Bring it over your head to the third eye. And as we fully bring our attention right to our fingers and our toes, bringing ourselves to a more alert state, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me today. Please make sure to like and share. Come on, guys. We got to get over this 68 number. I got it. It's just a matter of ego. I mean, come on. Ego pushes all of us to a degree. It's not a bad thing. It's actually good to have some ego. It's just when it gets too far out of whack. But that's another story. That's a different meditation. In the meantime, have a blessed and beautiful day. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.